Hey, what's going on? Coach D here, and welcome back to our Tai Chi 24 form movement breakdowns. Today we're working on our standing on one leg sequences or snake creeps down into rooster stands on one leg. All right, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. On our last video, we covered our turning big circle cross with kick, transitioning into our snake creeps down. We went through the transition of bringing the hand in towards the shoulder. Now we're turning and extending this leg, and we are reaching down, turning the foot out, and then we're going to move forward and then transition, push the heel out and turn and pull this hand, fingers up, extend outward. And you want to follow with the eyes as you move into this left bow stance.
Moving forward into our left bow stance, we bend the right knee and lift to the front with the toes pointing down. Bend the left knee slightly, then straighten the right fingers and swing the hand from the back forward by the right side of the body, bending the elbow over the knee with the palm facing the left. Put the left hand on the side of the left hip with the palm facing down, eyes following the right hand. Then we continue to standing on one foot and extending the right foot. Put the right foot down on the right side of the left foot with the toe touching the ground and turn the body to the left. Move the left hand backward with the fingers bent. Move the right hand in an arc to the left shoulder with the eyes following the left hand. Bend the left knee and lower the body. Extend the right leg. Put down the right hand on the inner side of the right leg, eyes following the right hand. Then move forward, bending the right knee. Straighten the left leg into a right bow stance. Then we bend the left knee and lift it to the front. Straighten the left fingers and swing the hand forward and bend the elbow over the left knee with the palm facing right. Put the right hand on the side of the right hip with the palm facing down and the eyes following the left hand.
Okay, that has been our standing on one leg sequences or snake creeps down into rooster stands on one leg, both left and right. On our next video, we'll be covering shuttling back and forth or fair maiden work shutters. All right, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.